Good morning, Wolfpack. This is meteorologist Michael Mugrage with your forecast for the week. Some headlines of the week include a lot of rain for certain. You're definitely going to need that umbrella through the week. We're going to have some fall-like temps for the next few days with highs mostly in the 70s, but that'll change once we come to the weekend as we dry out and warm back up temporarily. Your class-by-class schedule, we have rain as the main story throughout the day, unfortunately. Sorry, it's Wednesday and rainy. It's hard to get through the week. But at least the temperatures are nice and about in the mid-70s, so it's not terrible. It'll warm up into maybe the upper 70s by the time we get into the afternoon around 3 p.m. But then, now we can talk about ex-Julia over here, who has just been meandering off the coast for a very long time and continues to do so and providing us with ample amounts of rain starting yesterday or the day before and just continuing through Friday. Here's a look at what our radar might look like by this afternoon around 2 p.m. as ex-Julia is still hanging out the coast, interacting with that cold front and bringing rain to central and eastern North Carolina. A look at the overall pattern, again, ex-Julia off the coast. We have a cold front to our north with high pressure pushing that south, and Julia interacting with that cold front is allowing for enhanced rainfall across central and eastern North Carolina. Looking at our rainfall so far this month, we've had about 3.12 inches, which is actually a little bit below average compared to what we should be at about 4.6. That difference of 1.48 was much larger a couple days ago when we were about 3 inches to 3.5 inches below normal, as we had a very dry September aside from Hermine at the beginning of the month. Julia is helping to abate that dry air and bring us a lot more rain, which is very needed. All right, looking at the tropics right now, we have Tropical Storm Carl in the central Atlantic now. Is forecast to move towards the west-northwest and should not pose any threat to the U.S. coast. Bermuda is the only landmass really in its path. It's forecast to become a hurricane. It might become a formidable one at that, as the NHC forecast has it becoming about a 110-mile-per-hour hurricane in the next 5 days. Tropical Storm Lisa is newly named as of yesterday in the eastern Atlantic near the Cape Verde Islands, and is forecast to intensify only a little bit, but due to dry air and increasing wind shear across the region, it will begin weakening in about 3 or 4 days. Now, again today, we're going to have temperatures in the upper 70s. It's going to be cloudy and rainy. It's going to be a little bit gusty in terms of winds with them out of the north at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. It's also going to be quite humid, so the hair is not going to be good for most people. Tonight, again, humid, rainy, and cloudy, just not great. Make sure you have your umbrella on you if you're going out tonight to do anything. It's going to get in the low 70s, though, so it's not going to be too bad temperature-wise. Tomorrow, we just put things on repeat as highs get again in the upper 70s. It's going to be cloudy and rainy throughout most of the day, off and on. And we'll have winds a little bit lighter out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, as we go into the week ahead, looking through Thursday and Friday, the same story with rain continuing. Temperatures in the morning will be mostly in the upper 60s, but Friday is where things start to turn around a bit with highs getting in the middle 80s. Saturday and Sunday look to be pretty nice with highs in the upper 80s on Saturday and upper 70s on Sunday. Dew points will be going down, so that humidity will definitely be going down. And your low temperatures will also be decreasing into the mid-60s. As we head into the beginning of next week, things are going to change a bit, and it might actually begin to truly feel like fall has arrived. So that's your forecast for the week, Wolfpack, and have a great day.